He sighs and thinks, why is nothing changing in my life? He thinks, maybe it's not my situation, it's my thinking. He thinks, successful people don't wait, they act. He thinks, they don't waste time, they use it. He thinks, they improve daily, even when it's hard.
Alright guys, you have probably already seen these types of videos. So let's come to this channel, Rico Animations. This channel has gained 12.9 million subscribers with only 824 videos. If we talk about its earnings, right now it is making around 5.2 thousand US dollars, and this is just an estimated earning. In reality, it can be even higher. I am telling you this according to the earnings section below, which you can also check yourself. Now, if we talk about the videos, especially the popular ones, 200 plus million views, oh my god, almost every video you see has more than 100 million views. None of the videos are below 100 million. All the videos you are seeing are above that, and most of them are in millions of views. So guys, you can clearly imagine how high the earnings must be. So guys, today we are going to create this type of video, but we will generate our own character. We will not use the exact same character. As you saw at the start of the video, we will create something similar in style, but completely unique. Our main goal is to give you a proper strategy so that your video gets fully monetized. It should not happen that you work hard and your video does not even get monetized. So guys, without wasting any time, let's get started. For you, I have already prepared a master prompt. In this master prompt, you will get everything. Voiceover, image prompts, video prompts with scenes, model rules, and character consistency. Everything is included. You will find the link in the description. Simply copy it, then come to ChatGPT, paste it, and click on Generate. As soon as you click Generate, ChatGPT will first give you 10 topics. From those topics, you just have to choose one that you like. For example, overthinking. And in my case, I choose topic 5. I simply type 5 and click Generate. Now, as soon as I click Generate, first of all, it gives us the voiceover section. In this section, everything is already written for you, and you can even generate a full video using just this text. After that, it gives the image prompts section. And then section C gives you the video prompts, which we also call scenes. So now, all our content is ready. Next step is image generation. For image generation, we will use ChatGPT. How to use it? Simply open a new tab and open ChatGPT. One important thing, you must have a plus plan, otherwise it will only generate 3 to 4 images. Now what you have to do is upload reference images. You need to take screenshots from here and upload them as reference images. Then copy the first prompt, come back to ChatGPT, paste it, and also write 9:16 ratio. Then simply click Generate. Also, there will be a plus icon. Make sure you click on Create Image. This step is very important. Once everything is selected, click Generate, and your image generation will start. ChatGPT is very fast. It usually generates the image within 20 seconds. Now you can see the first image is ready. The character is sitting on a sofa and using a phone. In the same way, we will generate all images. Simple background visuals work very well, so keep them clean and minimal. Now I copy the second prompt, upload the same reference image again, paste the prompt, and click Generate. You can see the second image generation has started, and within a few seconds, it will also be ready. You will notice that the character consistency is maintained perfectly, and this tool is very fast compared to free tools. If you have the Plus plan, it can generate unlimited images for you. Now we repeat. The same process for all scenes. Upload the same reference image, paste the prompt, and click Generate. As you can see, I have generated 5 to 6 images using the same process, and the character style is completely consistent across all images. Once your images are ready, simply download all of them. Now comes the next step, video generation. For video generation, we will use a tool called Slop Club. You will find its link in the description. Open it, and the first step is to sign up. Click on the profile icon, and you will see the sign-in option. I am already signed in, but you will see the option there. Now, one important thing, do not use your original email. Use a temp mail. Specifically, use a .net temp mail, not .com. Paste the email, choose a username, and you will receive a verification code. Copy that code, paste it, and your account will be verified. After that, you will see your pixel balance. For example, I have 8 pixels. Using this, we can generate multiple videos. Now in the models section, there are 2 free models available, WAN 2.2 Turbo and LTX 2.3 Fast. One model uses 5 credits and the other uses 2 credits, but still provides good results. Select the model, then select 9:16 ratio. Now in the start frame section, upload your first image. After that, go back to ChatGPT, copy scene 1 video prompt, come back here, paste it, and click generate. Your video generation will start. Within 20 to 40 seconds, it generates a 5-second video. As you can see, the video looks very professional. The character is sitting on a chair and using a phone. Simply download it. Now repeat the same process for all scenes. Upload the second image, copy scene 2 prompt, paste it, and generate. Do this for all scenes one by one. If you have 8 pixels, you can generate 8 videos. Each video is about 5 seconds, so total it becomes around 40 seconds. You can even create longer videos like 2 minutes or 5 minutes by repeating the process. Now as you can see, all video generations have started, and many of them are already ready. The character looks very professional in every scene. Sitting at a desk, focusing on a clock, everything looks clean and smooth. All videos are generated within minutes, which is amazing. Now comes the next step. Voiceover. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the voiceover from section A. Now the tool we will use is 11 Labs. It is free and gives you 10,000 free credits. Paste your script here. Remove unnecessary gaps and keep only the actual speaking lines. Make sure the gaps are minimal, otherwise the voice will sound slow. Choose any voice you like, male or female, and click generate. Your audio will be ready in a few seconds. Now the final step is video editing. For editing, we will use CapCut. Open a new project and upload your videos in VoiceOver. Arrange the clips in sequence and sync them properly with the VoiceOver. If you want, you can also add transitions and effects. Make sure to mute the original video sound because it usually sounds robotic. Adjust your audio levels properly. If you see a watermark, create a compound clip and crop the edges slightly to remove it. Now your video will look clean and professional. You can also adjust speed, add effects, and once everything is ready, export the video in 4K quality. Now here's your final result. Our goal is to help you earn from YouTube. Not just upload random animations, but create something valuable. If you add proper editing, your own touch, and some creativity, your channel will definitely get monetized. But if you just upload fully AI-generated content without effort, then it may not get monetized. So always focus on quality and value. If you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and don't forget to comment. See you in the next video.